Hi there. We're near the end of these database videos now. It's Nev again. Beginning of another session, I'm going to copy and paste. We're going to call this the 20th and 11 20th, that's November 20th. And this one's going to be a report. And we are going to add some more icons as well. So away we go. Let's enable the content. We've got tables, we've got queries, we've got forms, but we have no reports. Now I actually have got some icons sitting here, so we'll get various ones and put them in. So our form here, calls by company, I've got, of course the logos are not correct, but they're good enough just to show that we've got them in here. Let's go to one of our icons. I'm not sure which is the BMP, but we'll load this up into Paint, select all, copy. Now, if you're working on an older version of Access, maybe 2010, you may have to paste this into a Word document and then copy it again and into Access and paste. If you get the logo there, it'll show that the actual image has not gone in properly if you get the Word logo. Now that with logos, maybe we'll just go into Design View and have a look at the options for a logo field. I can either zoom, which is going to make it larger or smaller but keep the proportions. I can make it stretch, and that will distort the proportions. So if I view it now, we are on 1, 2, 3, 4. The Facebook now goes right to the edge, slightly distorted. Or I can have it real size, stretch or clip, which is the original size. And see how they're very small now. So let's make our field a little smaller. Oh, let's just make it stretch will do for us. Design view, stretch, and that will be good enough. View, form view, let's save it. Okay, let's put in a couple more icons. Whoops, not those. Let's go here. Facebook Blizzard. Let's go grab. This one looks quite good. Open with, paint, select all, copy, and I know that in mine I can paste it straight in. Very pixelated. Let's go and do one more, 7. We've got this one here, BMP, open with paint, select all, copy, Control C, and paste. There we go. Now, what I want to do is create a report. So let's go create, and let's use the report wizard. It'll often take you a while to get this organized. I'm going to have the company name. I'm going to also, have the calls. I want to know the date that the call was logged. I want to know the first and last name of the person who's logged it, and maybe the date it was closed. Maybe we'll have this problem description, so we'll go next. That looks okay. So we've got a company name, and then we've got the information beneath it. That looks fine. What levels do you want to add? I could add another level for date logged. Next. Now it's already going to sort by company, so I can sort by date. If I had 2 on the same date, I could sort by surname. If they were even, I could sort by first name. Next. Now there are different styles of this report, and I can have it landscape or portrait. At the moment, I'll stay in portrait, and I might try a block design there. We'll try and adjust the fields so they fit on one page. Next, let's call this report. That's RPT, and it's actually calls the company. Okay. Oh, did I have icon? Let's go back. Call number, company. Let's just go back to companies, and I want their logo. Date logged. Logo. Whoa. We might have to start this again. What's happened now? Oh dear. Company. Company name. I'm just going to put the whole lot back. Let's go company name. Yes. Double click. Yeah, logo. Double click. And I want table calls. Date logged. First name. Surname. Problem description, and date closed. Next, date logged. Next, block. That looks fine. Oh, we're going to go date logged. We're going to go surname, and we're going to go first name. Next, block. Sorry about that little error. And we're going to go report calls by RPT and company. Finish. Preview the report, and there's a bit of code running behind the scenes now, and it's put this in. Note that Gecko has got 3 logos, and we really only need 1 logo. It has only put the name in once, but it's got the logo in 3 times. So if we close our print preview, we will come into design view. If I go into the company name header, and I put the company name up here into that header, let's see what difference it makes. Let's slide that footer up now because we don't have a big field. In fact, we don't need the logo field that big. Let's make this logo field a bit smaller. Our logos are only small. Okay, and have a look at that. I'm going to save it, view it. Now Gecko Films only has 1 logo. It has 3 calls. Deep Snail has 1 call, and Red Light's got 2 calls. So we're making progress. Again, design. Let's clean up our header. Calls by company. Of course, you can make this whatever you want. I don't really need to state my company and logo here. So what I can do is grab all of those, shift, grab all of these, and move them over here, and they should stay in line. Okay, for that matter, yeah, I can now. Problem description is a biggie, so let's extend that out. What happened then? Control Z. Date closed has got hidden here somewhere, so let's problem description, shift, let's move that. Where's date closed hiding? That's interesting. Little bit of a problem. Okay, I'm going to take that back and that back. Date closed, aha. Date closed. Can I get date closed on its own? Date closed is only a smallish field. Is that my label for date closed? I think I've lost my label for date closed. There's my label for date closed. Right, now if I want to line these up, align, arrange, align left, and then let's move them along here. In fact, what I could do is align size to widest, and that way we can align right. There we go. Now our program description, I can arrange size to the widest and then expand that out. Alright, there's a property in here which is can grow. I think if we go down and have a look, we on all, I can't see it, but there is, when we looked at it, I think it is growing when there is a lot of text there. Okay, let's run it and see what we've got. Save, home, view, and it's actually not growing, is it? And our date logged is too small, so we have to fix that up. Oh, hang on, date logged is there. How come date logged is twice? So we've got a little bit of fixing to do on this, but we've got the general idea. Oh yes, this is growing. See, if there's a lot of text, we can see that the field gets bigger and it allocates more lines. I think that's enough for the moment. There can be hours of tweaking spent to get this report looking terrific, but that's enough for us.